back to my channel. If this is your first time tuning in, thank you and welcome. If you are returning, I'd like to say thank you as well. And please do me a favor, hit that subscribe button and also the notification bell so you know when I post videos. Today's creative flow is going to be simple and sweet. And so I had mentioned to everybody before my intro that I have been a property management leader and professional for many, many years. So that is my career of choice outside of being an author and a creative work. So in this creative flow today, I want to talk about something very simple about toilet lids. Okay, so here was the question. Should you keep the toilet seat lid up or down? Simple enough, right? Well, the answer is this. Yes, it is healthier for you to keep the toilet seat lid down. Why, you ask? Because there's something called toilet flumes. Let me say that again. Toilet flumes. Flumes. There's bacteria in the toilet when you use the toilet. And so once that water hits, when you flush it, it swirls around and it can splash back up. Now, those flumes go into the air and remain in your bathroom. And hopefully you sanitize your bathroom very frequently. So that you can lessen your chances of infecting your bathroom any more than you need to with bacteria. So there it is, an informational short on whether or not you should keep the toilet lid up or down. I hope that you have some clarity today on why you need to keep the toilet seat down. So please stay tuned, hit that notification bell, and if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, My Creative Flow. Look forward to more informational shorts on property management. Thank you.